Hello and welcome one and all to the essential tools you'll use in your life. I'm your host, Mr. Phillips, and today we will discuss the putty knife. So what is a putty knife? Well, Merriam-Webster defines a putty knife as an implement with a broad, flat metal blade used especially for applying putty and for scraping. Coming up. Cool. All right, so you sit right there with me, okay? So in hindsight, a putty knife is simply a cheap metal blade that's great for, patchwork, either for drywall, concrete, wood, etc. Good for scraping a paint, and good for cutting. Those are some general uses of the putty knife, but I bet you're wondering about some specific situations where you will use the putty knife. So I found about 10 great uses for a putty knife from bobvila.com. So the article is entitled 10 Reasons Every DIYer Needs a Putty Knife. All right, so number one, you're hanging drywall. So once you hang up some drywall, you can then use a putty knife to spread spackling or putty over joints and screws. Scraping paint in some tight situations or spots, or just scraping paint in general. Coming over here now? Okay. Removing wallpaper. Filling in screw or nail holes after taking down like a wall shelf or a picture or some type of decoration. Removing old grout or caulking from a tiled surface, either a floor or a wall, sometimes a table. Yeah. Got your muscles. Removing a baseboard from a wall. So really you could use with a putty knife. It's great for trying to pry away the baseboard from the wall without damaging the wall or the baseboard itself, in case you want to reuse the baseboard for that room or another room. Caulking gun broke before the end of a job. So what you can do here is you can use the putty knife to cut open the adhesive tube, and then you could scoop out the adhesive with the knife, and then just use the knife to spread the caulking or the adhesive on whatever surface you were using or working with. Your window is stuck shut. So let's say you painted your windows and now, oh, look at that, they're stuck. So you can then at least use the putty knife to cut or break the seal, the paint seal, to help like wedge the windows loose. Spreading and smoothing out a compound on joints. And this could be for any type of material you're working with. So drywall, wood, sometimes even sorts of metals, any type of compound, trying to spread out and smooth out some type of putty on joints. Now, another great use I found with using a putty knife, open boxes. Sometimes your utility knife is nowhere to be found. And look, hey, here's my putty knife. That'll work. So you just use that, and it's sharp enough just to break the tape seal and cut the cardboard box open. Very helpful to use. Well, that is all for this episode. Join me next time when we discuss the power drill. See you later, alligators. You want to say see you later, alligators? See you later, alligators. Want to say hi? Hi. Say hi. La, la. Why are you making that funny face, Dad? All right, say bye to everybody. Bye. Say bye. Hello and welcome one and all to Essential Tools You'll Use in Your Life. I'm your host, Mr. Phillips, and today we'll discuss the potty knife. The potty knife. Take two. How did I get that? Mess that up?